we begin first up with news that we are tracking from the national capital. It's newly elected BJP legislator Mohan Singh Bisht, who says that he will be renaming the Mustafabad district. In fact, while he even goes on to say that he will be renaming Mustafabad seat, to Shivpuri or Shiv Bihar. A statement that's coming in from newly elected legislator of the BJP from Mustafabad constituency. He says that he will be renaming Mustafabad to Shivpuri or Shiv Bihar. Listen in to that statement.
ये सही है, मैंने कहा है शिवपुरी भी हो सकता है, शिव बिहार भी हो सकता है। लेकिन आखिर ये मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्यों राजनीतिक दल के लोग मुस्तफाबाद पर कितना बड़ा मेहरबान क्यों हो रहे हैं। जहाँ हिंदुओं की आबादी हो, हिंदू वहाँ रहते हों, तो उसका नाम मुस्तफाबाद की जगह शिवपुरी या शिव बिहार क्यों नहीं हो सकता। निश्चित रूप से लोगों के अंदर, मन के अंदर जिस प्रकार के मुस्तफ़ा के नाम से लोग चिंतित रहते हैं, तो निश्चित रूप से ये काम होना चाहिए। ये
Priyanka is joining us from the national capital. Priyanka, we just heard the newly elected legislator Mohan Singh. He says that he will be changing the name of Mustafabad to Shivpuri. It's a well-known fact that there has been a Hindu voter consolidation for the BJP. But what exactly explains the changing of the name of this constituency?
Well, we just heard the BJP legislator who has in fact won from the Mustafabad seat, Mohan Singh Bisht. He has in fact already promised earlier that if he wins the seat, he will be renaming Mustafabad to Shivpuri or Shiv Bihar. And now that thing has been achieved, and it's a historic one, given that Mustafabad has nearly 40% of the Muslim vote share, and him winning from that very seat brings in a lot of importance, as you rightly mentioned, how the Hindu votes had consolidated together to vote for the BJP there. Remember, Mustafabad seat was also one of the most affected one during the 2020 Delhi riots. So a lot of talks were happening over the same. So after winning this seat, Mohan Bisht has in fact promised that he will be changing the name, and that is something we will be seeing going ahead, that Mustafabad changes to either Shivpuri or Shiv Bihar, because he says that when there are so many Hindus living in that very district, then why can't the name be changed to Shivpuri or Shiv Bihar? So he is currently mulling over the change, and this is something that we will be seeing in the upcoming days to come.
Yes, Priyanka, thank you for the moment. For now, we get you more news that we are tracking from the national capital. It is BJP winning candidate Parvesh Verma, who won with a thumping majority against Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency, who celebrated his victory in his native village. He's also said to be the front runner for the chief minister post. Take a look at this report.